just got into Prague and I'm in my lovely hotel room at InterContinental Prague. It's right over the river near Old Town. So I have a little bit of a river view. It's kind of bright right now, so I can't show it, but it's a great hotel. So far I'm loving it. Like I said, I just checked in, so I will show a little bit more later. But I'm not in the best of moods right now because my luggage got lost. So I have to wait for that before, I could really get settled in Prague. But anyway, the check-in process was great and everybody was very lovely and attentive and made sure I had everything I needed. Room is very nice. It's pretty spacious. I got 2 beds and 2 green chairs. A little TV and some other things. So let me show you around just a bit. So here are my 2 beds. They're double-sized beds. I said it was a pretty good size and I believe them. And of course a nightstand in the middle. There's really no plugs there. See, and then a lovely sitting area here. Got 2 cool looking green chairs. Got some complimentary water and glass, which is nice. Then I don't know if I could get a view here because it is pretty bright right now, but so I have a partial view of the river. And yeah, it's really, really bright right now, but little bridge over there. Got a little TV. Let's see, some drawers to put some of my stuff in. Desk chairs, some in-room dining options. I think they have several restaurants within the hotel. I'm gonna see what's around the hotel first, and then if I really can't find anything, I might just eat here. Nice luggage rack there. Looks like some tea. Some tea here. There's a safe down there. Oh, here's a fridge. I like how it's connected to the cabinet. But lots of things to purchase, which I probably won't, but you have a little space you could put stuff in. And glasses there. Little closet. Looks like extra pillow or something. Good size closet. I provide an umbrella. And there's the ironing board. The bathroom looks really nice. The toilet and bidet. Shout out to Candy. I know she likes these mirrors here. Candy loves magnified mirrors. Hair dryer. And then they provide soap and lotion and shower gel. And what's in here? Okay, so in this little box they add some extra things like a nail filer, some Q-tips, a hairband, shower cap. I'll probably need that tonight since I don't have my luggage. And a sewing kit. And some cotton pads. Nice. And then they have a nice tub, shower, and 2 big towels. Okay, so that's about it for the room. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep really well tonight. I've got lots of long days planned ahead for me, my typical schedule that I create for myself. Today will be low-key because I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. I didn't expect my luggage to get lost, so that's a bummer, but oh well, make the best of it, right? had a really great sleep last night. This room gets really dark and that always puts me to sleep really fast. And I got a good 5 to 6 hours of sleep, which is great because I usually have jet lag and that didn't happen to me. I usually get 6 hours of sleep, so that was perfect for me. And I'm up early, which I like, and I'm gonna go explore. Still don't have my luggage. I did go check with the concierge this morning and asked if any of my luggage came, and they said no, but they would let me know. Usually I guess they slip a note underneath my door to let me know that my luggage has come in, but I'm hoping it comes in today because I need my stuff. Let me look at my face. I mean, not that I wear a lot of makeup, but I have nothing, like absolutely nothing except for chapstick. Well, but the room itself is great so far. The shower was really great this morning. So the receptionist told me about this, the handy phone, which you get internet. I mean, you could take it out with you too. So if you want to look up directions and you don't have internet, you can just use this guy and get directions on here. They also have apps like, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever, your usual apps that you want to use, and they erase all the data by the time you leave, so you don't have to worry about your personal information being stored. You can also make local calls and international calls on here, so I thought that was pretty cool. I'm gonna probably take use of it today because I have to report my lost luggage to my insurance. Thank goodness I have World Nomads insurance. I just happened to get it just in case something like this happened, and they will cover if your luggage is delayed 12 hours, which is about now. So I'm gonna make use of this today. Also noticed that there is a pillow menu because these pillows, they're nice. I had to use 2 of them though because they're really soft. So the one they provide is a standard pillow, which is a natural medium support down feather pillow. But I slept fine, but I think I need something more firm. So I don't know, I'm thinking about getting maybe the orthopedic pillow. So I might do that later. This is my second time back at InterContinental Prague. I only have a couple nights here. I got here late last night, back from Kiev, and then I head out tomorrow early morning. I have to leave here at 4 a.m. to catch my 6 a.m. flight. I might leave a little bit earlier, but so yeah, it's basically the same room, except I have a different view this time. I have a view, I mean, it's still of the river, but I have a more open view of it. It's not as obstructed as last time. And this is room 704. Look at how busy it is out there. But yeah, beautiful view of the river. Last time I got 2 beds, this time I got 1 king size bed. And so I feel like the room is a tad smaller, but the bed is bigger, so that's nice. Everything else is pretty much the same, except there's one thing. The bathroom is laid out differently, and that's about it, I think. Everything else remained the same. But yeah, this is the king size bed and the desk. And back here is same thing, same closet, and here's the bathroom. So the sink, again, sorry for the mess. Toilet and the bathtub. This time I enjoyed their breakfast downstairs. It's on the back side of the reception area. It was really good. Their buffet is fantastic. Lots of good stuff. They have Asian food. They have lots of pastries. They have a live omelet station. That's always my favorite. I love omelet stations. And they have great coffee and juices. They have servers around there just in case you need something. So it's a buffet style, but they still have people attending to you. And what else? I'm gonna go check out the rooftop right now to see. I didn't even know they had like a view, but I saw pictures. They've been advertising it around the hotel because I think it's the summertime, so a lot more people go up there. So yeah, it was a fantastic hotel. I really enjoyed my stay here. The location was perfect. Old Town is about a 10-minute walk one way, and then the other side where Prague Castle is, this is another 15-minute walk. And you can take the tram up to Prague Castle faster, so you don't have to go walk uphill. And tram stops are everywhere around here, so that's a plus too. But it's also walkable distance to a lot of sites around here. And if you want to get the transportation card, you can get it right here at the hotel, which was great because I wasn't sure where to get it. I mean, I think you can get it at metro stations and some tram stations, but I wasn't 100% sure. So I asked the concierge and he was like, oh, you can purchase it right here. So that's pretty convenient. So yes, overall, really love this place. And if you want to stay here, I highly recommend it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.